Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Android phone, this video is very important for you. Sometimes we are delete by mistakenly some of the videos or images, or if you give it to your phone, your children or some other friends, and they are delete some your data. No matter your data comes in messages, WhatsApp chat, WhatsApp videos or videos and images. This video I'm giving you one of the outstanding tips and tricks you can recover your data with the help of Tenorshare Alt Data Recovery software. You should install the software in your laptop, Mac laptop or Windows laptop. Connect your Android phone, the particular laptop, and recover your deleted data. Without root level, you can recover entire data, no matter how much data you already deleted in your Android phone. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So first of all, I will show you my Android phone screen. I delete some data and then we can see we are really recover this data or not. Mobile screen is coming here and I enter here in photos gallery. Inside the photo gallery here, images, movies, some of the data is available. I just simply select here the movie section, and inside the movie section I delete all the 6 movies. So look at this, even I delete those WhatsApp images as well. Just a couple of seconds ago I capture some of the pictures. I delete entire images. Just go to the here in delete section, delete all the images, permanently delete. Perfect. Now I'm not able to recover. I will show you how to recover this images in my Android phone. So first of all, you need to take here one C2C port because of I have in Mac. So I just simply connect here, and so this is the entire screen. I just simply, before start the video, I just simply connect my Android phone here in the my Mac. So you can, after that you can very easily recognize I already connected my Android phone. Enter my Mac screen. I just simply record the screen, come to the here Google and type here this URL. I already added this link in video description. You just click and come to the here. Look at this here, Alt Data is #1 Android data recovery tool without root. That is the beauty of this platform. Recover message, photo, videos, contact and all of your Android device, no matter which types of data you use in your Android phone. Select your download files in Google Drive, recover deleted WhatsApp message without backup and root. Recovery WhatsApp business same as it is, and comfortable with 6,000 plus Android phones and tablet including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, etc. Here it's very simple. Come to this platform, just simply download the software. Here the software is downloaded. It's very small size. Just simply after download, click twice and just simply drag and drop. I already installed the software, and after that here we can open here the software. Where is this? This is the software of, and look at this here. Here is my profile. You can log in as well if you require. So this is the profile. Which types of data you want to recover, like recover WhatsApp data or recover lost data. Currently I'm not use WhatsApp in my Android phone, so we can click here recover lost data. So look at this here, device can't recognize B. You just simply click, give the permission. So I just simply disconnect this one, again connect, and let's see, boom, look at this, mobile is showing here. So which types of data you want to recover, like a contact, messages, call history, photos, videos, audios or document. So as I say already, I just simply delete some of the photos, videos. So we can target only 2 things. You can target all of those things, the same process. Wait couple of seconds, obtain the Motorola, and here the processing is going on. Scanning is done very fast. So we are recovering here 34 photos and 6 videos. So here just simply select all of them and recover to PC. Select the location. So I just simply select in desktop, recovery file. It's done. Very fast process. Make sure this is the small amount of data I recover. If sometimes in some mobiles images and videos are available, like thousands of images and hundreds of videos is deleted, so you can spend couple of minutes here. The deleted, today is the date and time is showing here. After that, lost data, photos and video, two folder automatically created here. Photo comes in photo folder and video comes in video folder. Even the pixel is also not damage anything, original clarity as it is, you capturing the pictures in your phone, the videos. So this is the very simple way to recover data if you have Android phone with the help of Tenorshare Alt data recovery software. Link is available on video description. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.